Welcome guys, welcome to the Robosmart lab. Today we are going to make an obstacle car. Okay, so for making the obstacle car using the cratite, we need several components. The first component that we are going to use is the obstacle sensor. This one is the obstacle sensor. This one is the power source. This one is the sensor base, which we can say the threshold, which can control the sensoring power of the sensor obstacle sensor. These are the DC motors which control the wheel direction. In this we are having one is direction and one is the speed. Okay. For the sound we are going to use the buzzer cratile, and for the direction we are using this copy cratile module. Okay. So let's get to the assembly part. Now first we take the power source and we are going to connect with the threshold. Okay. Now we are going to use the obstacle sensor, which we are going to connect at this point using this wire. Okay. For checking it's working or not, we are going to give the power and then we check. The light is blinking, so that's mean the output is coming. Okay, so that's mean that the sensor is working. Now we are going to connect the DC motor for the vehicle purpose. Okay, we are going to connect the input to this point, the input of the copy cratile module to this point. Now we are going to connect the DC motor, the speed at the output of 3, and this DC motor. Now the assembly part is done. Now we are going to test this project. For testing we are going to press the power button. We are going to place an obstacle in front of the obstacle sensor. As you can see, it's detecting the obstacle which is coming in front of it and give the information to the motor, and the motor start working. So I hope you like this project. If you have any kind of doubt, please mention it in the comment box, and I will see you in the next video.